You've been lied to about millionaires. You think they all drive Lamborghinis, live in mega mansions and bathe in gold. But the truth is, most millionaires are completely invisible. And some of their habits are just plain weird. Like, why do so many millionaires refuse to buy new clothes? Or rent their furniture? Stay with me, because today I'm going to blow your mind with 17 of the strangest things real millionaires do. Facts so surprising, they'll change the way you think about money forever. The last one will surprise you, so stick around till the end to find out what it is. Now, let's get started. Number 1. They prefer to buy used and affordable materials. 76% of self-made millionaires shop at thrift stores. Not because they are broke, but because they value function over flash. One millionaire in a CNBC interview literally said, "Why would I pay $100 for jeans when I can get 5 pairs for $20 at Goodwill?" It's not stinginess, it's leverage. Number 2, they have almost no furniture. Minimalism isn't just a trend, it's a millionaire mindset. Wealthy people don't clutter their lives or their living rooms. One tech millionaire said he only owns a mattress, a table and a chair. His reason? If I'm not building or learning, it's just noise. Number 3. They track every penny like it's a video game. Millionaires love spreadsheets. Many of them treat money like a high-score tracker. One guy even gamified his expenses using color-coded categories. Green signifies return on investment. Red signifies no return. Everything was a mission. Number 4. Many drive the same car for 10 plus years. You know who doesn't drive a Lambo? Warren Buffett. He drove a 2014 Cadillac until 21. Why? It still runs well enough. It's not about image. It's about impact. Number 5. They read a crazy amount. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. Reading isn't just a habit, it's a cheat code. Want to learn how millionaires think? Read what they read. Number 6. They live in the same house. For a long time, 60% of millionaires live in homes worth less than 500k. Why? Because they invest in assets, not image. And avoiding moving fees, real estate commissions and upgrades will build more wealth over time. Number 7. They make friends with boring people. Millionaires don't look for flash, they look for focus. Their inner circle? Often quiet, nerdy, numbers-obsessed people. Specifically because flashy friends cost money. While on the other hand, smart friends make money. Number 8. They avoid lifestyle creep like the plague. Get a raise or make a considerable amount of money. Most people will immediately proceed to upgrade their car. Millionaires. They'd upgrade their portfolio. Every extra dollar gets reinvested, not consumed. Number 9. They take weird risks. One guy put $5,000 into Bitcoin in 2012. Not because it was trendy, but because he saw the math. Millionaires aren't reckless, they're strategic. They bet on what others don't understand yet. Number 10. They're obsessed with tax strategy. Want to make more? Learn to pay less. Millionaires often hire CPAs, not to file taxes but to engineer their wealth. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Number 11. They write down their goals constantly. Daily, weekly, monthly. Goals aren't optional, they're a system. You don't become a millionaire by accident. You become one by design. Number 12. They avoid credit card debt like it's fire. Debt is equivalent to financial bondage. Millionaires use credit cards but never carry balances. They earn points and never pay interest. The number one golden rule: never let the banks win. Number 13, they are okay being boring. They don't care about what's trending. They care about what compounds and makes them money. Most millionaires don't chase dopamine, they chase dividends. Number 14, they still use coupons. Yes, actual coupons. Not because they're broke, but because they value every dollar. They respect money because they know how hard it is to earn. Number 15, many are first generation rich. Most millionaires didn't inherit wealth. Over 80% are self-made. Their weird habits? Built from necessity. Poverty made them resourceful, and that never left. Number 16. They don't buy lotto tickets, but they do take risks. Instead of praying for luck, they create leverage. Start a business, build a product, solve a problem. Millionaires create opportunity, not wish for it. Number 17. They wear the same outfit daily. Crazy, right? But hold on, hear me out. Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk. Uniforms aren't just for school. They reduce decision fatigue and increase focus. The millionaire mind is a choice. Millionaires don't just have money. They have a mindset. They see the world differently and act accordingly. But here's the truth. You don't need $1 million to think like a millionaire. You can start today, right now, with your next decision. Which of these 17 millionaire habits surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. I read everyone. And if you're ready to master money with Money Talks, kindly like, subscribe and share, because this is just the beginning.